getting bored of Walls 2. I should find a new mini game. October 2013. Saw the game and I thought, oh my god, the fuck is this? So many OP kits, but I guess I'll play a game. Horse tamers, every game, dominating winter all day long. Everybody's kit's the same, because it is so damn strong. But hey, I can't survive, I get better pink gear. And to the hive, teams and hackers everywhere, but nobody plays Blitz to be fair. So I'll keep on playing, and get horse tamers 6. Horse is fast but stupid, and I will call it brick. Toxicology just gets added with a level 5 stone sword. Keep going with a single dream that one day I'll be leader reports. Gonna join another map, but I know it's all in vain. Trying to earn some coins, but it's not worth the pain. Got a long list of level 7s, high level kits I've gained. Keep getting broken deathmatch, that's just the game. Let's make it a whole new game while I try and rise to fame. I'll make for myself a name. When I'm done here, this game will never be the same. So I release my first montage, become a rising star. People blame my hit detection because of my 5-bar, but it was the first of many, and I buy armor 10. People blame thorns constantly, but I still make one again. I name it unexpected, later I release my personal favorite. That's just the game. That's just the game. That's just the game.
Not even close, baby! Technoblade never dies! Technoblade!